Why do these two show up in a YouTube video? Hä? Hey guys!
Today we'll be doing a video about weird and funny sounds that the Germans use that confused me a lot when I first moved here.
Last week we made a video about words that Germans commonly use that you might not find in a textbook. If you have not watched that video, we will put the info card up on top. So go ahead and watch that.
If you like the content that we create, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you are notified whenever we post a new video.
So without further ado, let's get into our list of weird sounds. At the first spot on our list, we have just the sound of ja. So ja means yes, but not in every context. So sometimes it's just in the beginning of a sentence to give me more time to think about my answer. And if I'm indecisive, you ask me a question, it's like, isn't the local football club playing later this afternoon? And then I say, ja, nee. And that means yes, no, I don't know. So in the beginning of a sentence, there can be either ja or nee or ja, nee, ja, nö. So
there's so many weird sounds. I don't know what's going on.
And it's just, it does not necessarily mean actually yes, which ja usually would mean, or no would mean nein, but it's just a way to buy time as the person answering.
Super weird. And you use ja or nee to start the sentence, and then there's also words or sounds that you use to end the sentence, correct?
Sometimes, yes. So there would be ne,
No?
ne, or ge,
Ge?
ge. You understood what I said?
Ge?
Du hast mich verstanden, ge?
Ge?
Ja, so ist es halt, ne? But it has no literal meaning. It just turns every sentence into a sentence with a question mark at the end.
Yeah. It's like a oder?
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 And the next one I hear Germans use a lot as well is ach.
Ach.
Ach so.
Ach so, ja.
What does it mean?
Ach is a sound of having an epiphany, of understanding something. You say, ach, so ist das. If someone explains to you how a math problem or how you solve a math problem, then you're like, oh, that's how you solve it. So it's more like, oh,
So.
ach so. The next one is a word that, or a sound that Germans also make quite often is puh.
Puh.
It's like a sound of exhaustion, really, when you're done running, and then like, oh, I ran 5 kilometers, and phew.
Very literal. And the next sound, I find it super cute, is that Germans, whenever they say like ouch or like ow, they say aua. There's an aua.
Aua! Aua! Because it's fast and quick.
Yeah.
There's a second word Germans would use, which is also ouch.
Ouch.
Ouch. So it's similar to what the English would use, but we write it differently.
It's especially cute when kids use
Yeah,
it. Whenever they fall down and they're like, aua, nana, aua. It's so cute. The next one, I think you only use it for informal situations, but if you don't understand something, you will say, huh?
Huh? Huh? Is that similar to the huh in English?
Yeah, like English is like, huh?
But in German it's just hä?
But sometimes you drag it out, like, huh?
If it's unbelievable, you really cannot fathom what just happened. Hä? Like,
What's going on? Like, are you out of your mind? Huh?
Where's the sun? Hä? It's hidden behind the moon. Hä? Spiders are no bugs. Hä? Why do these two show up in a YouTube video? Hä? The next one is more or less a sound of surprise. We say, hoo!
What?
Hoo!
Who?
Hoo!
This the first time I'm hearing it.
Huch, was ist da denn passiert? Was ist denn da passiert? Huch, huch. If you drop something, you say huch.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
And you have this literal reaction, your whole body shivers. Huch.
I've never seen you do that before.
No, I don't do that. But there are people that are doing it. Similar to huch, there's another word that we use, or an expression, it's hoppala.
Hoppala. So cute.
And it basically means the same. It's surprised, you drop something and you're very embarrassed for yourself for being so clumsy. You're like, hoppala! What happened there?
That is so cute. The last sound, it is oof. Or also oof. So oof is more like it's so tiring and it's exhausting.
Exhausting, mentally taxing, and it's just
yeah, but oomph is like, oh, you're so full, and then you go like oomph.
You had a good meal. Oomph can be positive. Oof can be positive as well as I'm so full. It was so good. I ate too much. And it's like oomph.
Yeah, it's a good feeling. Your dad uses it all the time.
He does use it all the time.
So that is the list of weird and funny sounds German make that made me very surprised when I first moved here.
If you heard any more sounds or any other sounds that you could not identify, please let us know in the comments below. And as always, see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.